Are you a professional marketer or a marketing agency that's currently selling SEO services? Well, if you are, there's probably two common problems that you have. The first one is the ability to close business on a very consistent basis. And the second one is to retain that business once you win them. So I feel your pain. I've been there. I've done that. I've been in the business 13 years. I've been through all the struggles. I personally had that same obstacle of consistently closing business on a consistent basis because of all the competition that's out there. There's a new marketing agency popping up every single day, or hundreds every single day. So it's really tough to stand out in the crowd. The second was retaining customers. Once I got them on board, keeping them long-term is really difficult because once again, there's competition out there and everybody's always trying to steal them away from you. So you have to do everything in your power to hold on to that customer once you get them. So I set out on a mission to defeat these obstacles, to overcome these challenges, and that's exactly what I've done. I've worked for the past 5 years building a software called RankHacker. It's an SEO automation platform, and that's exactly what it does. It helps myself and other agencies to build new business, convert new business, right? And then also to retain that new business and those new clients once they come on board. And how does it do that? So very quickly, when you use RankHacker as a tool to help you close more business, it forecasts ROI for keyword phrases. So when you go to pitch your service to a client, you can show them, look, these organic phrases we're going to try to get you ranked for on Google have this much value. They will yield this many leads and sales and revenue. And that gets people excited. This is one of the only tools, or it may be the only tool, that will show you and forecast ROI for organic keyword phrases. Okay, the second thing this tool will do that no other tool can do, it will give you the exact content marketing strategy of the page one competition. So think about that for a minute. That legitimizes your entire SEO pitch and proposal, okay, because now you're coming to them with a set plan. First, you've shown them keyword phrases that will produce ROI, but then secondly, you're now showing them the content marketing strategy they need to follow in order to get that ROI. So we do that through RankHacker by showing exactly how much content marketing the top 10 competitors on Google are doing every month for a specific phrase in a specific city location. And that's very powerful because now you've legitimized that SEO strategy and you can put a dollar amount to that. So the next natural conversation is, well, what should be the budget? How much money should I spend with your agency? Well, you can take the guesswork out now. You can say, look, it's not about what I think that you can spend. Look at the goal. Okay, if your competition is doing 10 pieces of content per month for this one keyword phrase, well, you need to at least match that. Do you have the budget for that? And I'm telling you guys, we use this every single day in our pitches, in our agency, and it helps us close business tenfold compared to what it was previously. Because now we're quantifying the ROI, we're legitimizing the SEO strategy and the budget, and that builds trust and that builds confidence. And then the next thing I want to talk about is retention. Okay, you want to keep those clients on board, right? Well, the way you're going to keep the clients on board after you get them is to follow a system like RankHacker's because it produces results. It will get them ranked. And that's what's important. If you get your clients ranked, they're going to get return on investment. They're going to be seeing those leads and sales that you've projected and forecasted, and that leads to retention. Now, of course, you have to have good customer care and all of those things that go along with it. But first and foremost, in a client's mind, it's all about return on investment, putting dollars in their pockets. So I encourage you to give us a try. Go to rankhacker.com. Right now we have free trials open. Give it a test drive and see what it can do for you.